The product I'm demonstrating is the UPVC no cam door kit. This is for failed UPVC door mechanisms where they don't have rollers and cams, so we haven't got the option of attacking them to release the mechanism. So what we're trying to do is gain access to the hooks at the top, the top and the bottom of the door, to either release them, or if we have to, we'll cut through them. The kit includes two types of frame protector. Depending on the profile of the frame, you use a protector of a different thickness. The hook we're trying to access is near the bottom of the door here, which is obviously quite a tight part of the UPVC door. So we want to get our wedges in place to create the space to work with. So using the spreader from the door spreader kit, we start at a part of the door where there's a bit more flex to get the wedge in, and then we can work the wedge down the door using the spreader. And we're trying to get the wedge at a point beneath the hook that we're trying to work with. So just get that to the tight part of the door at the bottom. We have packing pieces. They just help square everything up and give us a bit more space to work with. We just get a wedge in at the top as well. And now, if you can see, we've got a gap here, and we can now locate the hook, and in the first instance we'll try and release it. We've got two striking tools in the kit, so if we can get the striking tool in, give it a whack with a mallet. If that releases the hook, great. If it doesn't, then we resort into cutting through the hook. We've already protected the frame. Now we want to protect the door if we're going to be cutting through with a blade. So a bit of masking tape, keep that frame protector, the door protector in place. That just overhangs the edge of the door by about 1/2 mil. It's hardened steel. So now the door's protected, the frame's protected, and we can go in with our blade and make the cut through the hook. Same at the top, and then we've released the mechanism.